Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. Today I will explain to you guys about Tauhid. Let's go. Before we know what is Tauhid, we must know why Tauhid is very important to learn. So I got 3 points. That is, the one is Tauhid is the foundation of faith and worship. Yes, Tauhid is the main foundation of every Muslim faith and the very purpose of the creation of humans and jinn. Any act of worship that is not accompanied by Tauhid is not considered valid. Point 2 is preserving the purify of belief. Learning Tauhid helps strengthen one's faith and protects against defines belief, innovation in religion or bid'ah, and shirk or associating partner with Allah. And the point 3 is Tauhid is protecting from major sins. Yes, Tauhid is protecting us from major sins because errors in Tauhid are considered greater than other major sins, as they can lead to shirk or disbelief. Studying Tauhid helps protect oneself this grave mistake. We move to the next point. We go to what is Tauhid. Tauhid comes from the word wahada yuwahidu, which means one. Terminologically, it means making Allah is the only true deity with all his unique qualities. Next. Divided into 3. So Tauhid is divided into 3. 1 is Tauhid Rububiyah, 2 is Tauhid Uluhiyah, and 3 is Tauhid Asma wa Sifat. We go to the first is Tauhid Rububiyah. So Tauhid Rububiyah, it means confirming Allah in Allah action means namely Allah is the only creature, Al-Khaliq. Allah is the ruler of the universe, Al-Mudabbir, and Allah is the most ruling, or Al-Malik, and the most giver of sustenance, or Ar-Razzaq. In the Quran, Allah says, all praise is due to Allah, the Lord of the world. Quran Surat Al-Fatihah ayat 2. So we move to the example of the Tauhid Rububiyah. That is 1. Bring and send rain, 2. Create creatures, and 3. Bring creatures to life and death. Maybe that's for the Tauhid Rububiyah. So we move, the next is Tauhid Uluhiyah. So what is Tauhid Uluhiyah? Tauhid Uluhiyah is confirming Allah in the actions of servants. That is, we as servants only worship to Allah. No worship should be submitted to other than Allah. In the Quran, Allah says, and verily we have sent messenger to every nation to call worship Allah and stay away from Taghut. Quran Surat An-Nahl ayat 36. That's for the example of the Tauhid Uluhiyah. Now we move to the example. For the example of the Tauhid Uluhiyah is like worship to Allah. Like this is praying or fasting, like fasting sunnah or fasting Ramadan. Like the next point is zakat, and the next is example is Hajj if you can. Maybe that's for the meaning of the Tauhid Uluhiyah and the example. Now we move to the last point, that is Tauhid Asma wa Sifat. So Tauhid Asma wa Sifat is belief in the names and attributes of Allah. Allah says in the Quran, He is Allah. There is no God who has the right to be worshipped but Him. He has Asmaul Husna, good names. Quran Surat Toha ayat 8. Okay, now we move to for the example of Tauhid Asma wa Sifat. Okay, for the example of Tauhid Asma wa Sifat is believe in this name and quality without doing this point. One is takwil or changing the meaning. This like you change the meaning of Al-Malik. Yes, you like change meaning Al-Malik to other meaning. Auzubillah, if you like that, like you change the meaning lah. Okay, the two is taktil of or rejecting some Allah attribute. This like you rejecting that Allah can bring the sun into the moon or bring the moon into the earth or can make human happy or sad. Like that, so that's like we rejecting of Allah attribute for taktil. Okay, the three is takyif or visualizing or describing what God's natures look like. This like you have a mind that Allah that what look like Allah hands or what looks like Allah foot, that like that. So this is not good if you have if you visualizing that God's not like or Allah. Okay, the fourth point is tamthil or equating the nature of Allah with the nature of creatures. This like you comparing the nature of Allah to his his nature of the creator. Like you like human have a hand. No. Like Allah, that like you. What's the name ya? Like you. I'm sorry itu bahasa. Kayak like you beriman that Allah have a hand. So you comparing that Allah have hand to a human that have a hand too. That's so nauzubillah that's tamsil is not good. And the last is tafwid or not wanting to define the nature of Allah. For the simple meaning like this like you rejecting lah, like you rejecting to worship to Allah, then you worship to other God. This is so not good. Okay, maybe this the example of for the Tauhid Asma Sifat. You can remind it for the simple like what for simple remind if you get asked what is example of Tauhid Uluhiyah Tauhid Asma Sifat, you can say believe in this name and quality without doing takwil, doing taktil, doing takyif, doing tamthil, and doing tafwid. Okay, next the point. Okay, thank you ternyata. Okay, thank you. Okay, maybe that's all can I say of the meaning of Tauhid and the divided like Tauhid Rububiyah, Tauhid Uluhiyah, and Tauhid Asma Sifat. Sorry if I have a mistake or a wrong words because I'm human, not a messenger. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.